All right, guys, 2015 Lexus 5.0 liter V8. It is a beautiful car. And it's a two-door coupe, too, which is even nicer. All right, anyways, let me show you guys what we've done to it. Converter, secondary converters there. X-pipe there from Lexus. Then we took out the mid-resonator and installed two Dynomax race bullets. Part number 24250. There will be a link in the description for them. Then 2.5-inch pipe. All the way back, we took all that thin pipe and tiny pipe that you guys can see over there and replaced it, and then finished it off with two Natami tips just to give it that sexy look. Really nice, really clean. What do you guys think of those tips? I think they look good on this thing. They're a beast. Anyways, there's the two resonators that were on it. That's why we took all the piping off. We could have just not replaced it, but they crunched it down. And that just kills the flow on this V8. So we're like, we can't have this. There's the two mufflers that were on it that we cut off also. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. There it is out the back. Very nice. Looks really nice and clean. Here we go, guys. You ready to hear this thing? I am. Go ahead. Much better. Yeah. Now you can, it's a V8 too, right? The 5.0, right? Yeah. Wow. This sounds beautiful. It's his birthday, guys. Wish him a happy birthday online, if you guys don't mind. Go ahead. 116, bro. Yeah, it's so good, man. Don't do anything else to it. This is perfect. Wow. Go ahead and back it out. Two-door coupe. Coupe. I like the black. I do the rest of it black. What do you think? This sounds good. Lexus RCF. Did I say LCF? I'm sorry, guys. RCF. Put it in sport mode. Yeah, it needed the sport mode. Now it opened up, man. Wow. That's with sport mode on. Sport mode plus, probably. Yeah, it sounds phenomenal. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Lexus RCF 5.0 V8. Time for another drive off with Dynomax race bullets and rear delete 2.5-inch pipe all the way back. That's not bad either.